Hey, what's up YouTube? We're going to do a little bit of a different video here today. I'm going to repair my Evolve Carbon GT electric skateboard that I got in 2017. And this is one of my favorite toys I've ever purchased besides the Model 3 in the garage behind me. I have it currently set up in the all-terrain wheel style. And what I'm going to do is switch it to some street wheels that I have. These wheels right here. They've got a ton of use on them. They're by ABEC, and they are 97 millimeters. I know Evolve currently sells bigger wheels than this, but these make this skateboard go 26 miles per hour. And that is blazingly fast when you're so close to the ground on a skateboard. It's fast for a bike. It's ridiculous on a skateboard. So we're going to go ahead and swap these street wheels back on, but there are some motor issues, motor and gear issues that I have to address, because when I swapped on the gear set for these all-terrain tires wheels, they're just not working properly with the motors. So I'm just going to take them off altogether because I don't really use the ATV wheels that much. It's fun if you're out in open field and stuff like that, but for the most part, the street wheels, that's where the fun's at. That's what you want to have installed on this skateboard. You feel like you're a 5-year-old kid again riding this. And at 26 miles per hour, it is a rush. Make sure you wear a helmet, by the way, because if you fall on this at 26, you're done. So let's get started. All right. See YouTube, I'm wearing my helmet. This thing is so powerful. I'm literally crossing the street in between cars here. So fun. So the funny thing is, like, am I actually exercising right now? And the answer is probably not. But it is so much fun. You really do feel like a little kid. Random people carrying furniture on the street. So this remote's got this neat little braking feature because we're going downhill now. And I could just use the regenerative braking to slow down. And it actually puts power back into the battery. All right, crossing the street here. We're gonna cut right here. Oh yeah, long straightaway. Let's see if we can catch up to this Jeep in front of us. Oh man, the Jeep is pulling away. We've been doing like a solid 22, 23 right now. Just put these new homes up on this cul-de-sac. Beautiful homes, actually. So what do you think, YouTube? You gonna get one of these electric skateboards? I mean, as a kid, I was on a skateboard and I currently snowboard. And I'm not young. I'm 38. I don't know, maybe I look it, maybe I don't. But I do feel like a 5-year-old kid when I'm on this thing. No joke. It was worth it. I probably spent a little over $2,000. I'm not sure how much they go for now, but it's worth it. The time I've spent on it, the fun I've had on it, like little things like this, you got to treat yourself because you know what? You're not getting any younger, so why not? I mean, don't go into debt getting it, but if you got some cash laying around that you can spend on some fun, because you can't go on travel right now because everything is just shut down. So the money you would have spent on a trip, spend it taking trips on this skateboard. Man, everybody is out and about. This right here, we're on like a mile road right now. And it's always super shady, meaning like the, the trees shade everything. Not that, well, I mean, maybe there are a couple homes up here that are pretty shady, but some shady characters. Still a solid 22. 21, 22, going up a slight incline right now. Electric skateboard?
Yeah.
It's fun.
I guess.
Yep. Those people back there, they have a Model 3. I like them. There she is. That's my little E30 tucked away in the detached. I've really got to do something, figure out what I'm going to do with that E30. It's a 1989 325 IS. I just got so many parts for it. Over the years, I just collected so many things. Tractors in here. There's not a lot of room to work, but soon I'd like to clean this out and figure out if I'm going to prepare something like this for the track or just have it as an additional classic car in the collection. See, a couple cylinder heads there. Short block, upside down with the oil pan off of it. So you're looking at it 180 degrees. Crankshaft back there, another engine on the stand. Endless parts. Tons of tires and wheels. You name it. It's just a whole bunch of stuff in here. All right, YouTube, tell me what you thought. Are you gonna get one of these? I kind of want a second one, but I don't know why. They're just that much fun. Catch you in the next one.